Hello everybody, my name is Luke Mar and this is HauteLeMode, and today on HauteLeMode we are back for another horrible, awful, disgusting fashion hack, reaction, review, roasting. I don't even know at this point, they just like roast me out. This is my life. But before we get any further into the video, I would like to thank our sponsors for today's video, who are ShopTagger. If you don't know them yet, you're trash. ShopTagger is this amazing web browser app that you can actually download in just a few clicks. ShopTagger helps you keep track of everything that you are looking for by allowing you to add and delete things from personalized lists that you create. And on top of that, then it gives you push notifications on either email or your mobile phone when any of the items in any of your lists either go on sale or come back in stock. You don't even have to do any work. Like, what? You can also check out their new feature where at the end of checkout, ShopTagger gives you a bunch of coupon codes that will help you save money. Again, like, why wouldn't you just download this? I don't understand. ShopTagger is also doing this really fun little contest where you get to win money. All you really have to do is by November 24th, tag 2 items on ShopTagger, which means anything from thousands of websites, thousands of different items. All you have to do is do that, and then you could be entered into the sweepstakes to win $500. Yeah, $500 for tagging 2 items, doing Christmas shopping. Oh, free money. So make sure you go to the link in the description box below, hit that button. It will help you download ShopTagger super quick and super fast. And it's literally the best thing in the entire world. I use it all the time. It's like my best friend, but also like better than my best friends, because my best friends don't constantly do shopping with me and then like let me know that they have coupons at the end of our shopping experience. So just download it now. Now, let's get into this reaction video of these fashion hacks, because I mean, like, Lord knows, you know, they're gonna be rough, they're gonna be terrible. Like, this is what I live for. Apologies if this is what I live for. Well, it was nice knowing you all. So I found this video. I haven't seen it yet. I'm like kind of nervous. All right, let's get started. This is by, I don't even know, Girly. I'm not using Crafty Panda. I need a break from the Crafty Panda lifestyle. I don't trust him, that crafty little panda. All right, this woman, she's doing that TikTok dress thing where you take your pajama pants and put it over your body and then you make a turtleneck dress out of it, which I stan. I live by that. I still want that Corona when I talk. Oh, okay, all right, wait, she changed up the game. I'm sorry. She has an off-the-shoulder moment, which I was not expecting today. Okay, all right, I'm into this. That one, it got me good. I was not expecting. Next up, Miss Thing is in a sweatshirt. Let's see, I like that lavender. I have a lavender sweatshirt like that. It's from Everlane, sustainable icons only. All right, she's cutting up the sweatshirt. Is she making like a crop top? Because if so, like, everybody knows how to make a crop top. Oh, she's cutting holes and things. Oh, she's taking the little, I don't want to call it a zipper, but like the waistband. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Crafty Panda, who are you? In the first 2 hacks, I'm kind of impressed. There seems to be some design elements going on here without sewing necessary. I stand. I like this little 2-piece sweatshirt moment. That's like a good way to reuse your sweatshirts if they're old, like a 2-piece crop top situation. I would say, okay, I like that. I appreciate it. It's appreciable. Appreciable. Next up, she has a Hawaiian shirt. Let's see where this goes. I'm not excited. All right, intricate cutting. Not intricate, but like, you know, there's some cutting going on. It's intricate for me because I don't know how to cut anything. Oh, all right, crop top with a bow. All right, that bow looks very effective. Normally bows look a little bit yikes, like they look rough oftentimes, but this is interesting. I don't hate that completely. 3 for 3, I'm very impressed with Girly. All right, we have a denim situation going on. We're making denim shorts. Cool. Seam rippers coming out. Okay, the front is gone. The front of the jeans are gone. Oh, okay. Now what's happening? I'd like to know why we have a jean pant leg coming in the middle of this denim short. Is this not gonna be a short anymore? It's not a short, is it? Why is it going on the back? Why? Why is it going on the back? I'm very confused. You had it inside and now it's on. I don't like that. Oh God, that's awful. That looks awful. Did they sew it down? Like, I'm confused. Okay, from the front it looks fine, but like, where's the back? Show me what it looks like. Oh, so you're just gonna skip over the fact that you just stuck a pair of pant legs on the back of this denim skirt and just sort of left it for dead. The thing about these crafty videos is like, yeah, from the front, from the angle that you're shooting it, I guess it looks okay, but like, then you get to the back and it's like, what happened? All right, next up, she has a sarong skirt. All right, if this is the hack, I'm disappointed because that is awful. No, that's like turning an apron into a dress. That's not fashion or a hack. It's called Luke playing dress up when he was 7. All right, now she's getting intricate. She's doing a necktie halter situation. Okay. Oh, and she has a belt. Why does she, who gave her a belt? Who gave her this belt? But also, like, I have a question, for real. Why is the belt so drastically different than the dress? I understand maybe it matches with the shoes, but like, it is so offensive. It just like cuts that dress in the middle. It's not attractive. You can see, if you go back, look, you can see, oh, let's go back here, investigative fashion and journalism. Oh, look at that back, frumpy, falling over, a hot mess. Absolutely not. I hope nobody ever does these. The early ones were okay, I guess, but like, you know, now I'm scared. Now they're cutting up a purple sweater. Oh God, this is like those leggings, part 2, the remix. A lot of braiding. It seems like a lot of time and effort going into braiding for things that are usually ugly. Oh, like again, I don't love it, but I'm interested in whether or not this actually works. All right, she has a cami top. Let's see what goes on. It's in puke yellow. Ooh. Oh, okay, a halter. That's okay, that's effective, and you could definitely use that in the real world. That has some real world application, which I don't mind. Okay, we're cutting off this cami and we're doing lace. And we're sewing. Can't wait. Oh, is this gonna be an off the shoulder? I see how it is. I see what's happening here. Oh, I mean, like, it's ugly, but again, like, if you did it in the right fabric, you did it in like, you know, sort of semi-attractive colors, I could see it working. Not terrible. I like the ones that have real world application. All right, this one is a cami top being cut up into, oh, I don't know what's happened. There's strips going on. Oh, the cami top is being destroyed. Okay, sewing machine is being broken out. Hems are being made. There's a hem here and here and here and here and here and here. There's a hem everywhere. All right, lots of like stretching and cutting, and I still don't know where we're going with this, and I'd like to understand, please. Oh, okay, all right. Oh, I don't know. Now there are hoops. Where are the hoops? Why are there hoops? Somebody explain. And there's a lot of sewing still going on, and that's what's scaring me, is that you're putting a lot of time and effort, like physical time and effort into this, and I'm sure it's not gonna be attractive. Oh, okay, now we're gonna string this piece of fabric through, and now it's a cami top. You know what? You should have just left it how it was. There was no need. There was literally no need for this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no. I was happy when you like spinned around and I saw it for 2 seconds. Now that I'm seeing it in real life and like seeing it fully, I don't know. Nobody does this in real life, right? Can I, like, in the comments, please let me know whether or not people do these things in real life, because if you do, I would like to know and interview you and talk to you, because I need to know what's going on in your life. All right, white t-shirt again. Oh, strips. Oh, we're always cutting up strips of things, aren't we, just? These people must spend a lot of time at H&M and Zara. What's happening here? I'm so scared of this. This is like what people in a cult do to make clothing. I'm so scared. There's so much effort going into this thing, and again, I just know it's gonna be ugly. Like, why do they put so much time into these? Oh God, oh God, my eyes hurt. The neon is like truly, truly messing with my eyesight. I need to go to my eye doctor. What is that? It's a bath mat? You spent all that time braiding a bath mat. What? No. That's not real. Why would you ever do that? That's awful. You guys should start like trying these hacks and then sending them to me and letting me know, and I will react to them. That would be so fun. If you guys like tried these hacks and they were so bad and awful, yeah, that's what you all need to start making these hacks. Please and thank you. All right, she has a scarf. I don't know what she's gonna do with it. I'm scared. Bandeau. Oh, crop top. Is that it? This is all? No. Are they okay? What is happening? Daisy Dukes, girl. No. Oh, God, that is awful. I don't even know what to say about that because it's just, your boobs are gonna fall out. You're gonna have a Janet Jackson nip slip, and your mother's gonna be very upset when you show up at the family party wearing that. Like, what? Why would you ever do that? Especially with that print. At least use like a sexy scarf. Ugly, boring, banal plaid. Oh yes, so hot and attractive. It's just what I want to wear. Okay, now she's tying it. Oh, she's making a diaper. Oh, what is that? A straitjacket? No. Oh God. Oh my God, why? Why is this a thing? Why do they have to like also just make it worse? Like, why do they have to like try to dress it up? I hate when they do shit like that. Well, that's it. Thank God. Okay, great. There actually were like a few that I think could be utilizable. Like, there were a few that I was like, oh, okay, like that could happen. I really would like to see if you guys ever like do try these. Like, I want to know, and I feel like that would be a fun video, like reacting to you guys recreating these. So yeah, let me know if you guys would be about that in the comments down below, and send your photos to me at HauteLeMode or HauteLeMess. I'm here waiting. So that is the end of the video. I do want to thank again our sponsor for today's video, which is ShopTagger. Again, literally go in the description box, download ShopTagger, tag 2 items, and you could be entered to win for $500. Like, it literally is not that hard. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one, and TTYL.